Welcome back. Well, now that the big toast at midnight is over, what do you do with all the leftover champagne? Well, we're making breakfast with it.
Why would you have leftover champagne? Well, here with the bubbly recipes is chef and culinary stylist Ashton Keefe. Ashton, why would you have leftover champagne?
I don't know. I'm not hanging out with you if you do.
All right, so what do we got here?
So we have breakfast, and then we have an appetizer if you're having people over during the day, and then we have dinner if the champagne is still left at that point. But who knows?
You could just throw the champagne into the batter, instead of the milk?
These are called bubbly pancakes?
Bubbly pancakes.
Oh, I like it.
So it's going to be flour, and then you have milk. We have baking powder. This is actually buttermilk for a little bit of tang.
Oh, yes.
A little bit of baking powder, baking soda, sugar.
How much champagne?
Quarter cup. So kind of just glug or two. A little bit more.
Little more.
And then an egg. And then this is just like a regular pancake batter, and you just give it a mix. And you can see those beautiful pancakes that I've paired with a little bit of Greek yogurt.
Make them a little fluffier? Does it make them a little fluffier?
It does. It gives them like a nice rise. You can even see that they're a little bit
today, but
they're a little rise because they're bubbly pancakes.
And then we're using an Enza Prosecco. Yeah, they're very good.
It's got a little tang.
And this is a $15 bottle, like honeysuckles, light, a little bit of sweetness, so it adds more sugar to your batter as well.
Oh, yeah.
It's delicious, right?
Very good. Very good.
After
We've had breakfast. Now we're looking at a little brie.
A little brie. You can eat cheese all day, but we've got a brie here, and this is another great way to use leftover champagne. So we have a sparkling wine, Josh. It's $15, and what's great about this is we actually take a little bit of this, the sparkling wine, and we pop it right on top of the brie.
Oh,
which sounds very odd, but this is a great way to use leftover.
You're just now putting the champagne on.
We're putting the sparkling wine on top of it.
Pre-champagne version.
And this is the type of sparkling wine that the Josh Cellars Prosecco you can drink all day. So it's great for an all-day party. And then you layer a little bit of herbs right on top. And you can use rosemary. And then what you do is you bake this. Exactly.
Oh, you bake it.
You bake it. Put a little garlic. You can eat it like that too. But then it gets nice and gooey and bubbly. And then you can pair it with a bunch of crudité and meat and cheese, and people can just come over whenever they want and nibble on it. So it's great.
Last 30 seconds. Pork
is great to eat on New Year's Day. It's good luck. So I pair this with Domaine Carneros. It's like a $30 bottle, so it's more of like a dinner time bottle. And nice and creamy. It's aged for 3 years, and it goes great with a nice dinner on New Year's Day.
So you drink it with the pork?
You drink it with the pork.
Okay.
Where can folks get all these recipes?
On my site, AshtonKeefe.com, and they'll be up on your site as well.
AshtonKeefe.com.
Awesome. These are great ideas.
Great
ideas.
Those are fluffy pancakes.
Keep the party going.
Yeah, the party should never stop.
That's right.
It's 2020. Ashton, thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.